Up. Yeah. Felt like you just had a one. Did I?
Yeah. Oh, I saw it. He turned off, get back out. Oh.
What a pussy.
Oh, he's not back.
Oh.
I told you.
I wonder if he'll come back.
I'll record it.
Right the feet. Oh. Swing back on. I don't. Swing back. No. I want to catch him on the surface. He's there somewhere. He wants it. He knows he wants it. Come on. Get the dirt. God.
Oh, that was sick. That was sick. How mad was that take?
What?
That's going to be the best service take of your life.
Yes. I get to take the cap off the front.
It's reasonably deep here. Oh, fish hit me at my feet. Yep, followed me the whole way. Yep. Little dog. Oh, yep, got one. Yep, different fish. Oi, my mag draft was all tangled. My mag draft was all, the back hook was in the head. Oh. Oi, I cast it out there and like one a lot bigger than this followed it, and the trailer was on top of the head, and I was bringing it out there and it was doing circles through the water, and he comes off this snag, crack. I just swung him up.
Oh, got him. Yep. Yeah. On the paws. He's tiny, but that was sick. I was just looking at you and looking for a line to get through better. Here, bro, come film me.
Oh, yep, got in. Follow me all the way in. Oh.
Hey.
Yeah, they hit me just out there.